Okay, happy Monday. It's Monday afternoon, and I know you guys are so excited to have a video up so you could do your guide notes. So, on your guide notes, today we're going to use transformations to show congruence. And there's the first few pages are this activity here that we started doing in class today. We'll finish tomorrow. So I'm just going to fast forward past those. So, let's look at this problem. In the diagram, triangle ABC is congruent to DEF. Name the pairs of corresponding angles and their corresponding sides. You want to be able to do this. You should be able to do this. I'm going to pull these away. Make sure you understand how to do this. We will go over it in class. Number 2, find the image of the points after the transformation rule is given. So this means for each x, you're going to subtract 2. For each y, you're going to add 1. So you can stop the video, quiz yourself, see if you know it. Those are your answers. For number 3, these are your coordinate pairs for your vertices of your triangle. So if you reflect the y is now your x. Understand that's what it's saying. This one's a little tricky. So your new x value becomes your negative y. So look at that. -1, and what was your x becomes your y. It's a very different rule than what we did in class. So if you had 3, 5, 5 becomes negative, becomes your negative y, becomes your x, and your x value becomes your y value. It's very different than what we did. And the last one, that's similar to what we did in class. So let's look at the lesson. You guys have guided notes, so you can freeze the page and you can fill in your missing blanks on your guided notes. I want to explain the pictures to you. In this book, this arrow here is showing a translation. This is a reflection that would be over the y-axis. If it was a reflection over the x-axis, it would be moving from, say, here down to here. And this is a rotation. Okay? This is really a very simple lesson. So if you go, you can look and see that this figure is showing that in A that you have a rotation about point P. This you have a translation. I know you wanted to call it a slide from elementary school, and then a reflection. This would be a reflection if this was on a coordinate plane over the y-axis. Okay, so look at these, see if you can do them. Hopefully you got. Number 1 is a translation and a rotation, again, about point P. 2 is a translation and then a reflection. Okay. Next one, they want to talk about A and B if they're congruent. When you slide